Hi, I'm Dee from Dee Lovely Life, and welcome back to my channel. Time to clean out my refrigerator today. Hoping someone in YouTube land can get a little motivated by this video. There are more cleaning videos linked down in the description box. I like to do a quick wipe once a week and toss out what needs to be thrown out, especially the night before garbage pickup day. But taking the time to really clean the fridge is sort of on an as-needed basis for us, and making sure not too much time in between. Today, I'm taking out every item shelf by shelf. I mean, I'm sure there are some expired or soon to be expired items to be thrown out and reorganized to find out what I already have and what I need to add to my grocery list. Like, hello, I didn't even know these pickles were here. Now that I got all my shelves cleared, and boy do you see the mess, it's time to use dishwashing soap and a sponge, taking my time to really get into all areas, corners, crevices, and walls. At least every 6 months, I will take this fridge apart to really deep clean. But it's a pain to remove the drawers on this refrigerator, so I cheat by doing it this way every other month or so. How often do you really deep clean your refrigerator? And what products do you like to use? Leave a comment for us to share with one another. Why, but it's a habit to make sure the labels on my water bottles are facing forward. Anyone else like that? My clear egg organizer keeper warped in the dishwasher too, so the carton it will be for now.
And the next time you walk through that door, I really need to try to talk to you, but every time I do, I end up like
I usually keep a paper towel or something on the bottom to prevent crumbs and such getting into the grooves of these drawers, and I obviously need to do that again.
This I know it. If I could only be some kind of poet, if I could have my way with words, if only for a day, I would tell you what I feel to know it. 'Cause I would know just what to say. If only I was some kind of poet. If only I was a poet. If I was some kind of poet. If only I was a poet. Just some kind of poet.
Nasty looking. Time to attack the door storage on this fridge, wiping down everything including the bottles and jars, making sure to consolidate and gather in like items.
Morning comes at night. I don't understand. You and I so different now. We are always, always on the edge. Hearts are open wide. Different yet alike. You and I so different now. We are always, always on the edge. Dream right, everything wrong. No one's ever backing down. Push, slam, throw, slam. We're hurting, but we're just too scared.
Well, I hope that gave you some type of motivation to get into your fridge to do a good clean out. So thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, click that subscribe button down below. Until the next one, you guys, take care. Bye.
No one's ever